feel like I'm walking into one of those rooms. My mom always told me that in public speaking, just pretend that everybody in the audience is naked. So every single one of y'all out there, that's what I'm picturing. And trust me, it's a hoot. Hi, welcome to HOBBLY Motorsports. My name is Casey, and we review cars on my channel, but I've never had a drone. And to be honest with you, I'm pretty much technology ignorant. I hate to use such a strong word, but yeah, I can turn on my iPhone and things like that, and I can operate a car stereo, but that's about it. So anyway, I figured I'd make this video as kind of like a tutorial. This is the first time I've used this. I got it for Christmas. It's either been raining, nasty, I was sick, something else, life has happened. Well, the wind is not very strong today. It's about 41 degrees. It's January the 17th or something. I don't know. Anyway, this is the Contixo F29. And look at all this. Okay, what it comes with is you get this nice little case. You get all kinds of instructions. The reason why I got it is this. Is for the controller, because I don't like having to use, some of the drones you have to use your phone to, to control it or whatever. And so the joystick was kind of important. And somebody's going to ask me how much it costs. I'm going to have to ask my wife. But anyway, so it's got the controller. It comes with two little battery bases, so you can charge your battery. Your battery looks like this. It does come with two batteries. And here is the drone itself. And to be honest with you, it looks a lot like a DJI or something like that. Anyway, oh wait, wrong way. I've never done this. I've never flown it. I have powered it on to make sure that it did work on Christmas Day, to make sure that the battery, or not Christmas Day, but what after I charged it. And there's no batteries or anything. I know I'm saying that, and kids are like, batteries? I'm old. Sorry, I'm old. So anyway, of course, it's all chargeable, but there it is. It's very lightweight. You do have to register it. Like this flight will probably be illegal, but but we're going to keep it right here, just low and slow, and hopefully won't run into one of these cars, but we're going to give it a try. Because I'm being serious when I tell y'all, I don't know how to do any of this stuff, okay? All right, so let's set that down and let's go into the instructions first. Flight. Turn on drone and set it down on a level surface. Okay. Hold the power switch on drone for 3 seconds to power on the drone. You'll see flashing green lights plus flashing red lights. Oh! Okay, I see them. Okay. Place the aircraft on level surface and it will enter into frequency matching mode. The drone will automatically shut down after 10 minutes if non-taken off state. Power on the control. There we go. All right, we're powered on here. Press it one quick time, then hold it 3 seconds. Contixo, Contaco, whatever. I don't know what the hell. We're beeping. When the remote control pairs successfully, the green light on the power switch will turn solid green. Yes. Click the Go Fly button to enter the app interface. All right. Oh, I'm looking at my feet. Ha! All right. It's working. Sorry. I told you I'm pretending that you're naked, so I don't even know that you're there. All right. Compass calibration. Hold the compass calibration button for 3 seconds to start compass calibration. And compass calibration is number 7. So we're going to hold that for 3 seconds. Compass complete. Stay away from the metal and electric devices. All right, now place the aircraft on level surface. No. All right, step 4. Compass, pick up the aircraft horizontally and rotate it counterclockwise until you hear a beep sound from the remote. So All right. Next, pick up the aircraft and keep the aircraft's camera facing the ground. Then rotate it in a complete, in a complete counterclockwise motion. Okay, so now we're going to keep the camera facing down. Yes. Reposition the aircraft on a horizontal surface. Green light front arm and red light. It means the GPS enters into a state of satellite. It takes a few minutes to complete this step. We're solid lights, so we're good to go. All right, calibrate gyroscope. Push both skips. All right, push both joysticks into the 7 o'clock position. Gyroscope calibration in progress. Red light rear plus green light front of the aircraft. Keep flashing quickly. Gyroscope calibrate front light for solid again. All right, here we go. 7 o'clock, go. Yes. All right, the gyroscope has now been calibrated. Please place the aircraft horizontally on a level surface to calibrate, otherwise flight may be affected, okay? Adjusting, here we go. When flying the drone, this is talking about these antennas, the position, the antenna position. When flying the drone, unfold the antennas on the remote controller. Keep them parallel to each other and point their flat sides directly towards the drone. So like that. Okay. During the flight, the direction of the remote control antenna is very important, which directly affects the flight distance and the quality of the image transmission. The signal between, come back here. Hang on, Mother Nature. I'm almost done. I know everybody's getting sick. Sorry. If I wreck it, I got to deal with my wife, and then I got to replace it, All right. The signal between the remote and the drone is most optimal when the antennas are positioned and related to the aircraft as position shown. Step 9, stopping motors. Once all the lights on the drone are solid, the drone can take off. Hold the joysticks into 7 and 5 o'clock. So left over here, right over there. Motors automatically start. Push the left joystick up or hold the 1 key takeoff button for 3 seconds. Okay. God, I'm terrified. I'm literally terrified that I'm going to mess this up. Okay. We're working. This right here is what I wanted to do. This is really all I wanted to do. Because now, see, as long as it'll circle me. This is going to take a long time to get used to this. Okay, I know. You're almost dead. I know. This is going to be a lot of fun. I was a little nervous. I mean, there's a lot of money around me right here. A lot of expensive vehicles flying straight at the Escalade like that. That was too bad I didn't hit the film button, so I didn't get that picture of coming straight in on the Cadillac emblem on that grill, but that's okay. Anyway, I will say this. I'm looking forward to the second flight of this. If I can do this, I promise you guys, anyone can do this. Sorry of my showing my illiteracy level over there trying to read the instructions. I like to do things in front of people, and that way it's real. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you like cars, check out a video or two before you leave. Have a hobbly.